83,000 kilograms of estrogens from livestock just in the United States and Europe alone are excreted every year, while in the case of humans worldwide, 30,000 kilograms of natural estrogens and 700 kilograms of synthetic estrogens from the birth control pill are excreted in the same time frame. Estrogens, such as that of the synthetic ethinylestradiol found in oral contraceptives, are considered endocrine disruptors. This means that they possess the potential to disrupt natural hormone processes, in some cases, even altering development in children. Milk, a favorite drink to some, and a staple in the diet of many children, may just be one major source of the estrogenic infiltration of today's youth. Like humans, cows excrete estrogens, and rates are heightened during pregnancy. During the milk collection process, some farmers mix the milk of pregnant cows with the rest of the batch, which is in turn sent to grocery stores. In a study which incorporated males of varying ages drinking whole milk to gauge ensuing estrogen excretion rates via urination, large amounts were found. Not only this, but testosterone was found to decrease within 1 hour of drinking the whole milk. The deleterious effects of the chronic intake of estrogens has been on the radar of multiple organizations, such as the U.S. Toxicology Program, which has classified them as carcinogenic or potentially cancer-causing. Although a causal relationship between estrogen exposure and cancer is debated, there has been substantial evidence presented in favor of this. In the case of the natural estrogen estradiol, which is mimicked by the synthetic form, ethinylestradiol, it undergoes a bonding process to available estrogen receptors. This may result in the formation of tumors, given that certain receptors hinder apoptosis or cell death, while others facilitate the proliferation of cells. This is further elucidated by research linking estrogens with prostate cancer, cardiovascular disease, male feminization, and the finding that rates of breast cancer tend to be heightened in those found to possess higher levels of urinary as well as serum or blood estrogens. Some studies on estrogen replacement therapy for women have even been canceled due to heightened rates of cancer. Interestingly, in a study focusing on urinary estrogen excretion rates in Nigeria, when comparing those on oral contraceptives, IUD, and injectable forms of contraception, they were found to be statistically insignificant. The Endocrine Society has also brought forth concerns regarding potential health complications in humans, such as reproductive problems, which have been increasing. Women excrete between 60 and 90% of synthetic estrogens from contraceptives in a multitude of ways, including urination and sweating. However, contraceptive disposal practices, such as flushing pills in the toilet, may also play a significant role. In the US alone, approximately 15 million women utilize oral contraceptives, and according to the author Seth Siegel, this will result in a whopping 10 million daily doses of synthetic estrogen compounds being sent off into wastewater. Other sources of estrogens include but are not limited to hospitals, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and products for homes, and all of these factors compounding hold very stark implications for the rest of the environment. What do you think about estrogens in the environment? Let me know down in the comments section, and if you got something out of this content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, consider donating and becoming a patron, and as always, here's to the research and take care.